Hello Chatbot world, greetings from the beautiful Silicon Valley, California. What is a chatbot? If you cannot explain it simply, then you don't understand it well enough. My grandma keeps asking me, what is this chatbot that you're working on? Let's see if I can explain it to her. Hi Grandma, do you remember when I was a kid you wanted to go to Paris and you called this lady to help you with your air ticket, your hotel, sightseeing, Arc de Triomphe, the Eiffel Tower, and the stores to buy me those little figurines and dry food from my mom? Yeah, I remember. Her name was Janet. She lived in San Francisco. I'm not sure where she's at now. All right, now people can call this service, this device, and it can help them to book their trips. It's called a chatbot. That's what we do. Darling, it's not a chatbot, it's a personal assistant. I'm old, but I read. My grandma is a genius. So I'm sure you have been challenged in the past as well. So if you speak to this device and it helps you with fulfilling a task, then it is a personal assistant. Or when you text to it and it answers FAQ, then it is a chatbot. Well, in my humble opinion, it's just a matter of user's preference. Let's say your user is lounging on a couch enjoying her glass of wine or beer, then voice would be a more natural option. And maybe sometimes tapping or swiping would be more easier. Compared to when you want to describe a need or a query or a command and tapping won't do it, then texting would be a far better option, especially if you want to protect your privacy. Not to mention that there is no general consensus among practitioners, scientists, and professionals as what to call this still evolving conversational medium. I personally would prefer to call it an autonomous subject matter expert. It is somehow self-explanatory. It is an expert in a domain or on a subject, and it is autonomous. Obviously, there are different levels of autonomy, but it explains what it does. It shows that it is just more than a set of features deployed on your website. You can deploy this autonomous expert to do a few functions in your HR, accounting, call centers, or anywhere else throughout your organization. And maybe you can use it as a horizontal service, something like making restaurant reservations, like Google Duplex. So it really depends to whom you're speaking. Some people find this autonomous subject matter expert a little bit Terminator-esque, but technical people would get it pretty quickly. Be prepared to be able to explain it differently from different angles. At times you may get challenged. It's okay. You know what? It's like explaining a website to somebody 25 years ago when the internet was not still a big thing. It is that challenging. But stay strong. You are contributing to building the base of the future of the internet. So to recap, what is a chatbot? An autonomous subject matter expert? It really depends to whom you're speaking. You should have different versions ready, and you have to rehearse them when you walk into a sales meeting. Stay strong, stay optimistic. Pablo Picasso says, I'm always doing that which I cannot do in order that I may learn how to do it. See you soon, and goodbye.